Hey, all right, everybody, it's Chad Henry for you here again at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. Right now, excited to show you yet another SRT Grand Cherokee that we just got in. 2007 model with just 43,000 miles, and this thing is gorgeous. It's a different color than what we usually see. I haven't seen too many of these. It's like a dark smoky blue. I haven't looked up to see what the color code is on that yet. I'm sure plenty of you who's watching this know exactly what it is already. But as you can see here, it does have the PPF film on the front of it. So very little road rash, if at any, underneath of that. There's hardly any on that film there. But seems to have been very well taken care of. CARFAX certified, good service history records on it. It's got a nice fat set of Toyo tires on it, front and rear. They're in great shape. This back wheel here has a little bit of curb damage on the edge of it in just a few places, but nothing too major at all. Body and paint overall are in excellent shape. It does have a catback aftermarket exhaust on it. That's the only thing aftermarket on the car. Sounds perfect. Usually when we see an aftermarket exhaust, they're super crooked inside of the slot there. This one's not too bad. Tinted windows already. It's got the vent visors on top of the windows here. This does have a power sunroof. It has the gray interior instead of the black. Goes really well with this this blue color here. The seats, as you can see, are in super good condition. Usually this bolster and this side are worn out from sliding in and out of them. Carpets are in great shape. As you can see here, 43,278 miles on it. Give it a little rev for you. I love the way these Hemis sound. It's a 6.1 liter Hemi V8. As you can see, it does have the aftermarket stereo in it, but it does have the backup camera. You've got your dual climate control, heated seats, traction control, adjustable pedals. This does have the owner's manual in it. And of course, power sunroof. And while I'm opening, as you can see, we've got two of them sitting right there. A 15 with 43,000 and a 2006 with only 92, I believe. Well, that's a lockdown. But of course the seats fold down if you ever needed that kind of space. And we'll get this hood popped for you real quick too. Looks to be all original paint on it. I haven't seen anything to show otherwise. Factory intake. A nice clean SRT Grand Cherokee. We've got it here for you at Holiday Motors, 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. You can call us directly at 757-487-7333. And always top dollar for your trades. Warranty is included on this. And great financing available. So let us know how we can earn your business. We appreciate you watching as always and look forward to hearing from you.